Friends, welcome to Iqra English School. You know that this is your NCERT EVS book looking around, and today we are reading the chapter number 14. This is the fourth part of the chapter. This is a question: do you enjoy doing that work? So your first question was Bas was help his father in the field. Do you help the elders in your family in their work? So you answered that yes, of course we also help our elders in our family. Here you can answer that yes, when our parents, when our elders say anything to us, then I also enjoy that work. So let's start the content. Everyone at home is happy. This time the onions are big and healthy. Amma and auntie use the elige to cut the dried leaves from the top of the onions. In our area, sickle elige is called sickle. The elige is sharp and you have to be careful not to cut your fingers. Appa and uncle fill the sacks with onions. Appa will take them in a truck to sell in the big market. Now there is a question for you. Write answers in your notebook. Why Baswa not able to attend school for some days? So you can answer that Baswa was busy with his friends, with his parents in sowing the seeds of onion. That is why he was not able to go to school these days. The second question is, are there any field near your house? What is grown there? So you answer yourself. Find out and write. Given here are pictures of some implements used by Baswa's family. Write the names of the implements. Also write what these are called in your area. What work are they used for? The first is plow. Name in the chapter, this is called kurige. Name in your area, we called it plow, and which type of work is done by this implement? So you can answer it is used for plowing the field. The second is khunti. Name in this chapter. In this chapter, this is called khunti. Name in your area, you can answer in my area. This is called shovel. And which type of work is done by this implement? This implement is used for digging the soil. Now, name in this chapter, this is called ilige. In the chapter, name in your area, in our area, this is called sickle. And which type of work is done by this implement? So you can answer that we use the sickle for cutting the vegetables. Here, many steps are needed to grow crops. I am reading here. Look at the picture and mark them in the correct order. Are you watching that here? Here, the onions are going to be removed. In the second picture, Baswa's mother is removing the weeds. In this chapter, his father is sowing the seeds. In this chapter, Baswa's father is digging the field. In this picture, they are harvesting crop, and in this picture, this is shown that the Baswa's uncle and father was filling the onions in a sack. So we are to set the pictures in ascending order. So first of all, Baswa's father dig the field. After that, he sowed the seeds. After that, all the family members helped in removing the weeds. Number 4. After that, they harvest the crop. Then number 5, removing onions at a correct time, and after removing the onions, they fill the onions in a sack for taking to the market. So So dear students, in this chapter, we knew that when the seeds are to be sown, it requires distance in between. When the onion plants have started to sprout, weed also grow in fields. Then the weeds should also be removed from the fields. Otherwise, the weeds take the water and fertilizer of the plants, and the plants cannot grow well. After growing, when leaves of onion started to grow, started to turning yellow and drying up, this means that the onions are ready to be taken out. Otherwise it will rot in the field. After that it is taken out to the home, and its dried leaves should be cut using the sickle. Then it is filled in a sack to take them in a truck to sell in the market. So this was the process of sowing the seeds or cultivate onion crop. I hope you must get some knowledge from this chapter. So we will meet in the next. I will give you some question answers and objective question. So try to understand the chapter carefully. Good day.